What's up? Welcome back to my channel. My name is Taylor Bob, and in today's video, we're going to be talking about 3 productivity hacks that can definitely help you level up in 2023. Now, I decided to go ahead and start writing everything down, start getting more organized, and start getting better with my time management, ways that I can increase my productivity in 2023. And I have 3 tips for you guys today that I know will help you level up your content in 2023. So let's get straight into it. So the first tip I have is to say no, okay? I know sometimes that this is very hard whenever people need your help and different things like that, but in 2023, you definitely have to stay motivated and you have to stay focused on what you have going on, okay? If you have a lot of things going on for your content creation, for work, for different things, it's okay to tune out the rest of the world and say no. Sometimes the rest of the world can wait, okay? So that's number 1 on how to increase your productivity. Whenever you have more time for yourself, you ultimately can get more things done. So the next tip I have is to avoid burnout, okay? So it's easy to get overworked, frustrated, irritated, and everything else. But a good way to do this is really to just like set limits. So maybe say, okay, today I'm going to spend 2 hours working on this. I'm going to spend 4 hours working on this. I find when I do that, I'm able to be more productive in that certain set of time. And also, I'm an Aquarius, y'all, so my mind is always a million places at once. But I really find that breaking up my work into like 30 minutes and then taking a little break and then working for another 30 minutes, or even working for an hour sometimes and then taking a break and working another 30 minutes and then another hour, you know, that kind of helps. But I definitely do like to take breaks. And I'm also one of those people that like, I don't like to use like 10 hours to do like one task like all day long. No, if I can knock out that task in 3 to 4 hours, I'm going to knock out my task. That way for the rest of the day, I can use that time wisely to plan ahead for other things that I have going on. So if you are new to this, I definitely do recommend it if you're a person that sits in front of the computer all day for work, or maybe if you're a content creator and you just like sit there and record all day long, maybe work a little bit at a time and then take a break, and it'll definitely, y'all, keep you motivated and it'll definitely keep you on your toes, girl, and it can definitely help you avoid burnout, because that's something that we all want to avoid is burnout. I know for me, like when I get burnt out, I'm just like over it. And sometimes it's hard. You know, I can definitely get burnt out easily with work. I can get burnt out easily with content creation, but I definitely have to keep myself motivated. And I find out when I do little bursts of work at one time, that helps me be more productive overall. And the next tip I have is to turn your notifications off, okay? Work in a quiet space. Like right now, I'm literally in my room recording. You know, find a space that works for you. That can definitely increase productivity. Whenever you have a million distractions going on, when you have the TV on, when you have people talking in the background, you have music playing, it's very distracting to get things done, but you definitely have to make sure that you find your quiet place where you can go ahead and record and get your work done at the same time. But y'all, even turn those notifications off, okay? Put that phone in airplane mode, like go off the grid for a little while you complete what you have to complete. Completely okay to turn those notifications off, you know. And while I'm recording, I do not stop recording to answer texts. I do not stop recording to answer phone calls. You know, when I'm in my work mode, I'm literally in my work mode and I'm creating for my channel. So those are the 3 tips that I have that can increase productivity in 2023. Again, that's saying no, avoiding burnout, and turning your notifications off and just having that quiet time for yourself. I hope you guys did enjoy this quick video. If you guys liked it, remember to give me a like and also subscribe, and even share my video to your friends and family members who may like to use these tips in 2023. But thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you all in the next video.